Hello, music appreciation students. This is Mrs. Brown, and in this video, I'm going to explain the Unit 3 project. So let's go ahead and go into Unit 3. And then all the way at the bottom, you will find the Unit 3 project. So let's go ahead and open up the document, which is going to actually probably hide behind my face here. So it's totally going to hide behind my face. So let me open it up a different way. You will see it down here and then you can just open it up. However, my face is hiding it, so I will open it this way. You will see the same thing that I just opened up. So for the Unit 3 project, you are going to be identifying folk, bluegrass, and country music. Okay? You learned about those 3 different styles in Unit 3, and now you get to use your ears to determine if you can categorize music as folk, country, and bluegrass. So for this assignment, you're going to listen to 3 listening samples. You're going to listen to a bluegrass, a folk, and a country music listening sample. I would strongly encourage you to listen to the sample several times, very carefully, to listen for the clues that help you identify it. So the listening samples are in the course. So I'm going to help you right now navigate where to find those listening samples. So if we go back to all of the sections in Unit 3, the listening samples are in section 3.14, listening, identifying folk, bluegrass, and country music. You'll click on learn, and then where it says practice, and then disregard page 1. You will do nothing with page 1. Okay, some students might want to sit here on page 1. Go to page 2, because this is where you're going to find the listening samples. Okay, so here are the 1, 2, 3 listening samples that you will need to listen to and then identify. So let's open the assignment back up. So as you identify and give me the characteristics, I expect that you write a complete sentence, beginning each sentence with a capital letter, ending each sentence with a period. Okay, and then also give me several details, not just one, but several. Okay, so the first thing, you're going to listen to the listening sample. So you listen to listening sample number 1. Listen, listen, listen. Whoops. And then you would tell me the characteristics that helped you identify this style. Okay, so if it's bluegrass, tell me why it's bluegrass. If it's country, tell me why it's country. If it's folk, tell me what you heard that made it folk. Okay, think carefully about them. The instruments, those identifying characteristics. Review folk music, bluegrass, and country in the reading and give specific characteristics from those course readings. So you're going to do that for listening sample 1, 2, and 3. And then the last thing, you're going to tell me what is the musical style that each of these performers is most well known for. Okay, so 1 point for each. And that completes the Unit 3 project. Another super helpful resource would be to review the recording from our live lesson on September 18th, where we went over this project and we specifically went over characteristics that identify music as either folk, bluegrass, or country. So go and refer to that recording in the recording section of the course. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help, and good luck.